you don't like the video, if you watch the video and you're like, oh, that piece is boo-boo ass video, or it's boo-boo, then don't like it. It's fine. You know, matter of fact, if you don't like the video, tell me what you don't like about it so that I can improve, you know? I'm up to constructive criticism. It is out in the open. It's just floating around right here. Just hop in whenever you get a chance. All right, guys. Welcome back to the channel. This was not even a planned video. I was gonna go out and do a little test ride, testing my new Motovlog setup, but hey, might as well bring it to you live, bring you along for the experience. I also plan on taking some photos of the new LuiMoto seat cover. If you haven't watched that video, definitely check that out. Man, this thing looks amazing. The install was seamless, and I'm actually super happy with how it came out. Super comfortable, super grippy. So yeah, and check that video out and let me know what you think, guys. And if you happen to watch this, let me know what you think about this motovlog. I told you guys in my last motovlog that I would be constantly working to improve this, improve the audio, the noise reduction, the wind buffeting, all of that. So I'm gonna pop up on the screen here an image of the helmet as it stands now. I was recording into my GoPro. I'm just not happy with the outcome of that. So I went ahead and got me some heavy duty Velcro, and I installed the Velcro onto the recorder and taped it and double-sided taped it onto the back of the helmet. I'm now recording directly into the audio recorder. It's a Sony. I will pop that up here on the screen too. I can't remember the name of it. It's one I just picked up off of Amazon in order to do my my sit-down videos in the garage, and some of the installs as well. It's worked for me well there, so I tried it here. I did a quick test the other day, but with it. But it wasn't a permanent setup. I have it now, a more permanent setup. In addition to me going in the settings of the Sony, and I found a noise cut profile that I switched on for this purpose. Also, my sensitivity level was on medium, and I don't know how that happened because I was pretty sure I set it on low for all my in-garage videos. But when I went back and double checked it, it was on medium when I did my last motovlog. So that could be a possible culprit to why I had so much noise, wind noise in the previous video. Now, of course, by the time you guys heard it, I had dumbed it down a little bit. I also make music. I'm a producer, so I'm very well familiar with, you know, audio software and how to manipulate audio, stuff like that. So like I said, I'm going to be getting this audio good for you guys. So I had kind of messed with a little bit in FL Studio by taking some of the wind out, but I still wasn't happy with it. I did the best I could though with what I had. So now my goal is to get the source audio as crisp and clear as possible, you know, so that when I go and if I do have to change anything, it's not going to be drastic, and it's not going to be, you know, trying to save the life of the audio, as opposed to just kind of cleaning it up and making it more pristine. So if you guys have seen Chase on Two Wheels motovlogs, out of all the people that I've seen on YouTube, he seems to have the best setup. But with that being said, he also has a $350 mic. So I took a lot of his advice as far as how to set up the helmet, minus that $350 mic, because that thing is just ridiculous. I mean, you know, someday, you know, goals, but not right now. If you guys subscribe and help me out on my channel though, shoot, I'll be getting that to you. You know what I'm saying? That'll be a win for all of us. So make sure you like and subscribe if you like the video. If you don't like the video, if you watch the video and you're like, oh, that piece is boo-boo ass video, or it's boo-boo, then don't like it. It's fine. You know. Matter of fact, if you don't like the video, tell me what you don't like about it so that I can improve, you know? I'm up to constructive criticism. It is out in the open. It's just floating around right here. Just hop in whenever you get a chance if you want to. But yeah, guys, so anyways, so this new setup, I have the Sony audio recorder permanently mounted to the back of my helmet. I've routed all the wiring and everything, and I have the sound, I have the noise ducking feature on the Sony. I also turned down the sensitivity of the microphone. And what else did I do? Oh, I repositioned the microphone. So initially I did have it in the corner, right on the corner to the left of my mouth, kind of tucked behind the cheek pad. I did a couple of experiments, some with it in the corner and some with it like right in the front, because this helmet I have is the Challenger GT from LS2. It has a deep cutout right in the center at the bottom of the helmet. So 4 microphones, and I also have my Cardo mic placed there, my wired Cardo mic. So I kind of have both of them like right on top of each other in that area now. So I'm gonna see how this works out, because I did mount it there when I was doing the test. And although at the time the audio was a little bit noisier, it actually, the bike sounded amazing, and the and my voice didn't sound bad, but it definitely, it sounded a little bit louder and noisier, but it also sounded, I don't know, a little bit more crisp and clean, not as muffled, and I liked it. So anyways, that's why I said this is a test setup, because everything is kind of permanently mounted, but I can still move the microphone around and stuff like that. So hopefully it comes out good and I can stick with this setup, but if it doesn't, I can always keep readjusting. So you guys let me know what you think of this setup. Now on top of that, I also have to mention that I also believe this helmet in general is a little bit noisier than other helmets I've owned. Now part of that is because of the Cardo that I have mounted on the back left side of my helmet, because when I cover that Cardo up, like all the wind buffeting that I notice consistently throughout the ride, like goes away. But so I'm thinking most of the microphone doesn't actually pick up that wind buffeting, but it's just something that I noticed that's annoying to me as the person riding the bike. But I don't think that should be an issue for the microphone. Most of what was issue with the microphone was just the wind that's getting in the helmet. Also, that's another thing I did, was I taped over the inside of the vent holes, the vent holes that are right behind the GoPro, which lead straight to the mic. I put some duct tape over those holes, so because I had them closed, but you know, it's just they're not sealed. These aren't sealed vents we're talking about. I mean, there's no, you know, gaskets, or there's no weather stripping kind of material to seal it off when they're closed. It's just plastic that slides up and down. So of course there's still going to be, where the hell am I going? I'm in new houses area. I was looking for a place to take pictures, but so there's still going to be leaks that get in there, so I went ahead and taped over that as well. So a lot of changes I made between this video and the last video, so hopefully they're all paying off. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and turn around and try to go find a shooting spot. And if I do, I'll try to get some footage of me shooting as well. And then I'll go ahead and end the video. I don't want to make this one too long. So I'll pick you guys back up when we get to the spot. Lake. I mean, hopefully onto the sidewalk. Ooh, what about right there? You know where I gotta get on the sidewalk. Alright guys, so here we are. What do you guys think of this location? I think it's pretty cool right between these two trees. You got the backdrop of the water right there. Kind of streamlined towards the bike, and then it kind of goes out into the landscaping. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get some shots here. Let's get it popping, guys. This show on the road. Hope you guys enjoyed that little snippet. Yeah guys, I mean, let me know what you think about that seat cover. Let me know what you think about this wonderful scenery we just had here. I mean, look at that. It's beautiful. Hopefully you can see it. I know it's not going to be as detailed as it is for me, but anyways, I had fun. So the other thing I wanted to mention real quick before I let you guys go is that, oh snap, I just realized I didn't have my glasses on. But before I let you guys go, I wanted to mention that one of the main things for me in the setup was high speed. Low speed hasn't been too bad either way. I mean, there is wind, but it's definitely acceptable. So I'm going to do one more high speed test up here on when I can get some speed going, and that'll be the ultimate test. So this is fast enough. So how does this sound? Probably going about 60. My dash is reading, or maybe 55. My dash is reading 60 right now, but I put that toque on the front, so I can't really tell how fast I'm going anymore. That's another thing I'll have to kind of work on, finding a speedo healer that actually works. But yeah guys, so let me know what you think about this audio. Look at that, beautiful. So guys, that's it. That's gonna do it for the video. This is just a quick one. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked the video, like the video. If you didn't like the video, tell me why you didn't like the video. One or the other. That's all I ask. Until next time, guys. Peace out. See you on the next episode, hopefully. Bye.